HelperBird, Microsoft Immersive Reader in Google Chrome Browser.
So this is the interface of HelperBird. You can add a toolbar menu. You can pause HelperBird if you don't want the features on at any one time. You can show your favorites only, which means that you can limit the most common tools for learners, which is quite handy. And as we go down the list, you can change the font. If you've got the Pro version, you can change the font size, word spacing. Word spacing is a free one. So let's turn that on. And let's change my font options to Comic Sans. That's quite a popular font sometimes, an easy one to read. And if we look down here, we've got Immersive Reader. So what I'd like to do is, I think, yeah, I've already put it into my favorites. So if I just click favorites only, then it will show this as one of the top options here. And then if I hit start, it'll load Immersive Reader. And then it puts my entire page into Immersive Reader. So that means you've got picture dictionary built in. You've got all the different text options here to increase the spacing, change the font text size, change the theme background. You've got the grammar options where you can turn on syllables, parts of speech with nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs. There's a line focus mode built into it. We can translate the whole document, or we can translate by word. So I've been learning German recently. So if I go to German and I click on a word that I want to change, to read, then it will give me the German there as well. And if I click on it, it reads that out loud. Most importantly as well, potentially text to speech built in as well. And it's reading that out loud to me through my headset. Okay.